clean it off.
Oh, now what could that be?
That's quite flat.
A calendar. A calendar. Drawing paper.
Oh.
What?
Try to slip it out.
Alright. After a long day of Christmas joy, you really don't need another toy. It was me time to sleep on your bed. Maybe where your money rests your
Mommy.
mommy rests your head. Of course, it's on the back. Cool, it's 50 cardboard. Awesome, it's a big piece of cardboard.
Cool. Everybody needs cardboard.
Ow. Heck? Yes!
What is it?
Stickers
For what?
for my bike.
What bike you think?
Mom.
Yep.
Yeah.
What?
It's got his name on them.
Are you kidding me? Let me see.
Hang on.
What number is it?
66. There's two of them. Yeah. Three? Oh.
Side
And that's
face.
yours?
Let's see.
That's your bike?
Yes. No, it's Mom's.
But now it's yours?
Where's the...
Oh, now it's yours? Oh. So you have to take time to do that.
Yeah, bring it in here
Gotta bring it back in here.
so everybody can see it. I got a trash bag over there by my chair. You want to put this trash in it?
Kind of stuff you put on. Oh.
Yeah, move.
What does that clue say?
Merry Christmas to all of my friends. If I
Were.
a stuffed animal, where would I find my friends? Yay, a stuffed animal.
Take all the paper off, then you can see what it is.
Electric blanket. Yay.
Road. Awesome.
Yay.
Awesome.
Stuffed animal, where would my friends be?
Close the door.
Close the door behind you.
Keep it spread out.
I worked hard.
Time to get ready for this special day. Wash my body and hair to do say. Before Dad showers, he makes himself clean. He'll spend some time making his teeth.
Where does he spend time to make his teeth clean?
Eating apple.
This is the coolest stuff. I've never seen Sam go to such lengths.
Huh.
Uh-oh. Rip into it.
I'm trying. Ever notice that it's always in a cardboard box?
From Amazon.
From Amazon.
on your shirt.
Try the other side. Try the other side of him.
Yeah, this is maybe a little. Dad, we need a knife. Never mind. Awesome.
What is it? What is it?
Books.
Oh, cool. What's the name of it?
Laugh out loud jokes for kids.
Cool.
The Boys Book of Survival. How to survive anything, anywhere.
Good.
We're gonna put it on
book
the
to
stuff.
have.
What was your clue? Present in the bathroom.
How many more are you gonna get?
No.
Lord, you better get the gold mine.
The boys go where the girls
Here.
Huh?
The boys go here.
And the girls go there. Where does mom go?
That's a function.
Huh?
Tell me it's not outside.
No.
Aha!
No. No, no. By going, I mean like tinkling.
The bathroom.
Boys must go outside.
Where does mom go?
Whoa!
You didn't open this present yet.
Getting heavy soon.
I'm just a box of batteries. No, it's a box of Amazon. It's a box of the Amazon rainforest.
Amazon's great. Aren't you glad I finished wrapping all those presents?
Yeah. Ooh, it's white. It's a t-shirt. Yes, finally across the t-shirt.
All right. Two.
Let me see. Sun's out, guns out. Ah, I know that one.
Look at this black one.
Yeah, I know. Sun's out, guns out. Is it my shirt?
What does it say?
Get
Hold it up and let us see.
low.
Get low. For squats.
You found that in mom's bathroom?
Yeah, I did.
Just brings that weed.
You bring it back.
Oh yeah, I didn't look at that. Nope. And giant light presents.
What is this one? I don't remember. Oh, I remember.
Oh, you remember?
Want you open your present first?
The clue's more exciting, I think.
All the Christmas stuff we get needs to play, but needs a place to be.
Read it out loud.
Put it where mom's clothes would sleep, in a place with drawers to keep.
Doors.
Doors?
Not drawers. Where mom's clothes would sleep, and there's a door. Keith, can you close that closet door?
You just keep them coming, though.
You hadn't even opened that one yet.
I know.
Hey, how
It's all in an Amazon box.
More Amazon.
you missed all this stuff laying around here?
I don't know how I missed it.
You just walked right by.
I know.
He saw them all last night.
Yeah, I saw them all last night on the bed.
Wrapped.
Wrapped. Yeah.
That says blue.
Dad's got a knife ready.
Don't need a knife.
You do it himself.
I do it myself. Okay, Mama John's
For
for ski trip.
yay!
Come on, guys.
Ooh. Well, that
So you don't-
would've been handy.
So you don't have to wear
Okay, Mama.
pajama bottoms.
That'll work good.
Another Amazon box.
I believe Mom's opened all of them. But that was to make it easier for you to open.
Ah, what is this? Whoa, GoPro. I think. It's a video camera.
It's a Sony version.
Sony version of the GoPro.
Oh,
It's a Sony
Mom.
Action Cam
Now you can make
with a
it.
waterproof case.
You done good. You can make us some awesome videos, can't you?
He can put it on his helmet when he's riding his bike.
Ain't good when he's skiing.
Skiing.
Ooh,
Diving.
I'm from snow skiing.
Rub-a-dub-dub. This place we visit every night. You get wet and rhymes with rubs.
Hurry.
How did I miss this when I was brushing?
I don't know. Were you in the bathtub when you were brushing your teeth?
I'm right here. Oh, you got it, kid. Wow. Oh.
It's heavy. Bring it down here to open it.
Heavy.
What could it be?
Yeah, what could it be?
You're supposed to guess.
Bricks. Coal.
Oh no, he's been a good boy.
Are the stickers still in there, Evan? Pull that cardboard out from under.
That on the sticker.
Sticks out.
Oh, okay.
So the stickers go on your bike.
Oh, okay.
Personalizes the bike.
Yes! It has
What is it?
360! Yes!
No.
Let me see. It has Fox 360!
Show me the front. Bigger. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, you lucky dog. Wow.
Oh,
Look at you, boy.
start setting it up, Mom.
We got more presents.
There's more?
What'd that clue say that was on that present?
How much more can you get?
I don't know.
Don't you think that's enough? Let me do it a while. Let me start with that clue and I'll get it.
Christmas music brings great cheer. We look forward to this moment here. Play carols and rhymes. Spelled rhymes wrong.
Sorry.
Spelled rhymes.
Sorry.
Play carols and rhymes to nice beat. As long as you can find.
Find what?
Earpiece.
Obvious. So obvious. Mine. Go off. Wrong way. Another Amazon box for Pete's sake.
Is that nice? nice for them to send boxes and do that.
Oh, so. Whoa, new headphones.
Oh, man.
It's a
Sweet.
gaming headset.
Oh, that'd be perfect for that.
Where'd the Xbox go? Where'd the Xbox go?
I think you got your present on it.
You put that Xbox in there.
What else is in the box?
Oh, no.
That's it. Hey, that's something.
Yeah, I know that's something.
That's money.
Right.
Yeah, it
Yeah, look
is.
at the top right.
Oh, 59. $60.
This is a 1-year membership, so you can play live on the internet with your friends.
Okay.
You know, I gotta get me an Xbox so I can play with.
That's right. Coach needs an Xbox now, don't she, Evan? So she can play with you?
Online.
More presents. In or out, you want to play with the big ball. Where do you go to keep from scaring the dog? Man, it's a maze in here.
Nope. Where do you go when you want to play with a ball?
With the ball.
And I say, you're scaring Larry. In or out?
Out. Oh, come on.
Well, maybe you don't want that.
Close the door behind you.
That is really cold.
It's got another note on it.
Another one.
How many notes is there?
We'll have to keep them.
We'll make a little book in it. And then a picture of it.
Yay, it's green. It's a the Xbox. Oh,
I
yeah.
think I know.
Oh, yeah, controller. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, yeah. If I only had another one so I could play with a friend if he comes.
One will be in the Xbox. So now you have 2.
Yeah.
Mine. You got one there.
Where's your little thing?
I've never seen so much.
Me neither.
Wow.
More. Oh, man, it's wet. Wet. Stockings were hung by chimney with care.
Now you can get the stocking.
Okay. Ooh, face mask.
You can wear that when you go snow skiing.
Camo.
Camo face mask.
Cool.
Wait.
Glue for your model car.
Yes! Daddy, glue!
All
For the
right.
model car.
Get busy on that thing.
Light bracelets. Yay, orange Tic Tacs. Multicolored Tic Tacs. Yay. Silly putty. Hey, there's still stuff. Camo socks!
Oh, finally.
Fine.
You wanted those so
Oh, wait,
bad.
there's still more.
No.
Airheads.
Mmm.
Airhead.
You could probably dump the rest of it out.
What's that?
Candy.
Wait. Chocolate.
Rolos. That's,
There's more.
I think that's about all.
Wow. Oh, that's about the best stocking I've ever seen.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Clean up on aisle 8.